In this video, we will take a look how to add the fields to a featured product. So first of all, you can see I'm here on my website, on my online store. And here, if I scroll down, I can see I have added this featured product. So we can see I have different kind of variants here, but there is no field which will show up. Maybe you have already set the targeting that the field should show for the Textbox t-shirt, but it is not showing up here. Then you have to do the following. You have to go to your online store. Most probably you will be here on the home dashboard, and you have to follow the following steps. On the left side, you have to navigate to online stores. Please click on that. It will open up, and here you have to click on the customize button. I will do so. I will check customize. Now the theme editor will open up, and on the left side you can now see the different sections of my home page. Here we can see that I have here the image banner in the top, and here I have already a featured product set. Now we have to expand this section, and we can see here is no ad block added. So that's also the reason why the field is not showing. So now we can go to the respective position, let's say above the buy buttons, and we can hover it. We can see once we hover it, we can see there is the button ad block. I will click on that. Now the pop-up will open up, and I can see here on the left side blocks and on the right side apps. So I will click on apps, and I will see here already here is the Textbox ad block. So I can click on that. Now the ad block is added, and we can see already, since I have already one feed created, that it will now also start to showing up on the featured product. So please don't forget to save now. I will do so. I will click the save button. You will see the message changes saved, and we can now change the tab to visit our storefront. Now I just have to refresh it, and if I now scroll down, you will see successfully that our text feed is added in the desired position.